What's up, y'all? What's up, everyone? And we're back for the third week in a row. Is going good for the next how-to video. As you already know, it's your boy Royal King Brian, aka Brian, and we're back for the third week in a row with my next how-to video. So this next video has kind of been requested the most. I was originally going to start with this video, but let's get right to it. So this video is going to be about how to make money on social media or how to make money online. So as most people know, if you know me, that's my side hustle. That's almost turning into my main hustle at this point. Working online, my career path that I want to do is I want to become a digital marketer, something like a Todd Lopez, something like a Gary Vee, something like a Grant Cardone. That they started their own business, but it was mostly started online, and then it grew into something else. So for this week, we're going to talk about how do you make money online, how do you make money on social media. So everyone that knows me by now knows that I have my own website, DynastyNY.com, knows I have my own YouTube channel, Royal King Brian, knows that I do make music as well, and I have my music not on SoundCloud for free, but I do have my music on Spotify, Apple Music, Pandora, and stuff like that. So today I wanted to talk to you guys about the other ways that you can make money online if you don't do music or you don't do any of that stuff. So the best way to start building your own brand, which we talked about in the video before, building your own personal brand and building your YouTube channel and everything. The best way to make money and the fastest way to make money will be starting your own blog. Now, starting your own blog does take a lot of work, especially if you've never done one before. But I guarantee you, if you start your own blog, you put all your content in one area, it will grow tremendously. I have people from all countries I've never heard of. I have people from Spain, Europe, Hong Kong, Asia. I have people from the United States, Canada, Mexico, Dominican Republic, all watching my music videos, all watching my YouTube videos, and they're all consuming it from my website. They go to my website probably, then they go to my YouTube channel as well. So that's basically what I would promote first. Start your own website, come up with a domain name, come up with a hosting. The best one I would say, like I said before, is GoDaddy. That's the one I do use. So what about, let's say, if you're not into blogging, you're not into writing, and you rather be making money a different type of way. YouTube is amazing because YouTube is free. Unlike starting a website, you have to pay like $10 a month. If you want to pay it in full, it's like $100-something a year. So YouTube will be the best because YouTube is free. Everything you do is free. Once you get your first 1,000 subscribers, you will basically start getting paid after every video after that through AdSense, through Google AdSense. And it's amazing. Like, so let's say you have your own website and you put Google AdSense on your website, like I do have, and you have a YouTube channel that pays you on Google AdSense. So now you're getting paid two different type of ways at the same time because it's coming out through Google AdSense. So let's say for the third thing, if you don't want to make a YouTube channel, you just want to like sell things. You don't want to be on camera. You don't want to be blogging all the time. Let's say you just have some things that you just like to get rid of. You like to sell. You could become an Amazon affiliate. And basically what an Amazon affiliate is, you get hired by Amazon pretty much. You go online, you look up Amazon affiliate, you get hired by Amazon. And if you know people that just shop on Amazon, you send them your link, so you will get a custom link. You send them your link. Not only will they get not only will they get a discount because they're using your link and your Amazon affiliate, but you also get a commission of whatever it is they buy. So if they buy a pencil for $1, you get a commission off the pencil. But if they buy, let's say, buy a stove, they buy a refrigerator, they buy a car. Can't buy a car on Amazon, but you probably will one day. Or they go grocery shopping on Amazon. Whatever it is that they buy on Amazon, sorry about that, you will get a commission off. So there's people, Amazon like sells everything. So if you know somebody that like specifically shops at Amazon, or you know like 4 or 5 people that shop on Amazon, you give them your link and you will get a commission off everything they buy. You actually don't even have to do anything but provide them your link, and they will get a discount and you will get a commission off every purchase. The fifth and the best way to make the maximum amount of money, it's another thing that I do, is just selling. So you come up with a brand, and you just start selling stuff. And basically selling is just like selling in retail, so you become your own retail company. So as you can see, this hat is my hat, is the Dynasty logo. As you can see, I'm wearing the Dynasty t-shirt, the Army t-shirt that everybody's been wearing lately and everybody's been asking for more. So I make that. There's websites that you could use to make free shirts, to make free hats. Like, you don't even have to pay until like the people pay you, and then the order will start processing. So if you want to just start selling your own product, you want to make your own brand, if you have an idea for a sweater, a hat, t-shirt, a tank top, socks, we sell socks as well. You come up with a brand name, you come up with a clothing line name, and you could just sell your own clothing on your website. You could sell your clothing on your YouTube channel, like I'm about to do starting in the next video. And just like that, people go, let's say you have all three of those things. People go to your website. Once they're on your website, they see your YouTube video. Once it's on your YouTube video, you promote your clothing brand and they buy your clothing. You just got paid 3 times off of one person. They paid for the clothing, but you got paid 3 times. You got paid because they went on your site, they watched your YouTube video, and they purchased your stuff. So you can make a lot of money on the internet. There's kids that are almost like millionaires. There's teenagers that are millionaires. I'm not a big fan of Jake or Logan Paul myself, but they are great examples. They're like 20-year-olds and they're millionaires just off the internet, never had a job, and their job is just being online, being on YouTube. So let's say that's too much work. You just like posting your stuff on Instagram. You like posting your stuff on Facebook. You just like posting pictures and you don't really want to like sell anything. Well, people will pay you just to post. So you go on Instagram and you can become, depending how many followers you have, or how much attention your Instagram gravitates, you can become what is called the Instagram influencer, which is something I'm also working on, something I've done before, but I'm trying to get more consistent at it. So depending how many followers you have on your Instagram, people would just pay you to post something. So let's say if you have a clothing brand, and let's say I have 5,000, 10,000 Instagram followers, and you only have 500, 600, 1,000 maybe, and you want your clothing brand to be seen, basically, I will go to you and be like, I'll promote your clothing on my Instagram page because it will get more views for $20, $50. And Instagram influencers don't charge too much because they get it so frequent that they make a big amount of money. So let's say in a week I post 4 people for $50. I just made $200 in a week for posting one post on Instagram. And obviously, the more followers you have, the more you're allowed to ask for. I know one person specifically, I'm not going to name that person, but I know one person specifically that they do like 4 posts a week and they charge $100 for a post. So yeah, think about it, that's $400 a week. That's $800 in 2 weeks, and that's more money than some people make working a 9 to 5, you know. So, and that's just off a post. It's something that takes about 30 seconds to post, you know. So Instagram influencer is a great way. And if you just don't like social media and you just like hands-on being in person, you can just become a freelancer. There's people that will pay you to fix their resumes. There's people that will pay you to write, to do your homework, like just freelance. You could just freelance anything, honestly. If you're really great at something, you should not do it for free. That's my thing. You should put some worth and some value into your creativity, and you should just charge. So freelancing is also amazing. My way about it, I'm trying to build a brand. I'm trying to build an online business. So I do have my website. I do have the YouTube channel. I might be doing the Amazon affiliate program soon. I'm not too sure. I just rather sell my things and sell stuff on Amazon, and my stuff is not on Amazon as of yet, so I'm not too sure about that. But also Instagram influencer is something I'm heavily looking into, and we're just building a brand, and I think that you should build your own personal brand as well. It doesn't take much time. Some people like go to work, they have a 9 to 5, they work 6 days a week, and you can come back on your hours that you have left, you know, and just spend an hour or 2, 3 or 4 a day on your own business. And I'm pretty sure in a year or 2 years, depending how hard you work, you will probably end up making more money throughout your own business than you will working a job 9 to 5. So I'm not saying to quit your job. I'm just saying put some effort into your own brand, into your own business. A lot of people have great ideas and they're not getting executed because they don't know how to. So this is the point of the how-to videos, how you can do it. If you have any questions on like any of the topics that I touched on, the Amazon affiliate, the YouTube, the AdSense, the website, the Instagram influencer, freelancing, you can just leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to answer your questions. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's the 3rd week of how to. If you have any questions, it's your boy Royal King Brian, aka Brian. It's the Dynasty. This is the white hats we got with the black star and the triangle in the back. These are the Army Camo t-shirts, Dynasty shirts. We had these. We sold out of these, so we don't have any more, but we are going to make more. It's your boy Royal King Brian, aka Brian, and peace.